me start, Mathaji. Can you see?
Jai Shri Krishna.
Jai Shri Krishna.
Yes. Jai Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhara Shri Vasadi Gaura Bhakta Vrinda.
Yes,
Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Rama Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Rama Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Rama Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Rama Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Rama Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Rama Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Rama Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Rama Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Rama Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Rama Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Rama Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Rama Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Rama Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Rama Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Rama Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Rama Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Rama Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Rama Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Rama Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Rama Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Rama Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Rama Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Rama Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Rama Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Rama Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Rama Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Rama Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Rama Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Rama Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Rama Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Rama Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare Hare हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम राम हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे,
Hare
हरे
Krishna.
कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Hare Hare.
Krishna, Krishna
Krishna.
Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Thank you so much, Mathaji. So nice it was. That is the way how we should chant. Very nicely chanted. Continue doing that at home also, even after the 18 days course, please do it. And again in level 2 also, they will be, then now no training will be given because you already know how to chant. So it becomes only the level 1 course, all this training is being given. Yeah. So again, for the information of everyone, all the people who have joined, level 2 message is already put. I've been behind them. So already today is what 16th chapter. Only 2 more days, 17 and 18. I need to get feedback also. How many people have joined? Maybe people are not regular in this class, but they can attend quiz and they can go to L2. No problem. There's no hard and fast rule. Attendance is, of course, attendance is compulsory in the higher class. When I am in the 6th, yes, in the 6th level, the attendance will be put within 10 minutes. You have to join. If you join after 10 minutes, you will not be given attendance. You can come and attend the class. You will be marked absent because you want to attend. You come here and go. But compulsion attendance is there when you still go up and up. Because even one single slide you miss the content like that. But 18 days course, you're all babies. I'm also babies along with you. That's why I enjoy the class. I like to be with the babies. So we are no this compulsion of attendance and all. But when you attend quiz and all, you'll be prepared. Level 2 mein acha ye hai ki actually aur bhi seekhenge. And also level 1. You can also attempt level 1. No hard and fast rule. No need of don't go behind this teacher, that sir and all that. Mathaji, Prabhuji and all. Just attempt whichever is convenient for you. 6 a.m. is convenient. Please attend that. And more the people you attend, you will have their experience. They will share. So you will gain more knowledge. We have 3 p.m. and 9 p.m. also, apart from this 3 p.m., 7 p.m., 7 p.m., 9 p.m. and 6 a.m. So you all can again do 18 days course, and level 2 is, yes, you have to. That will show our interest, when you go to level 2, it will show that you are really interested in this spiritual science. And I'm muting everyone so that it will be comfortable for you also. And then we will start our class. Yes, so all this, whatever I said, and still further, many classes are there, in fact, I forget which classes are going on. So many books Prabhupada has written. If the classes is meant only for reading the books, so one chapter, two chapters, and some are given explanation also. Some are just only reading, devotees reading and all that. So once you enter, you will understand. So all this we get from ISKCON Mangaluru. So just pay obeisances to the deity there, Sri Radha Govinda, and take their blessings, so that let us be in this path, let us learn everything and improvise ourselves. Our life will be we'll be in a better path, and our main aim is to reach the Goloka Vrindavan. That will eventually will happen. Yes, so yeah, I will thrice I will say a Maha Mantra. You all can say in mute. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. And at the end of the class, I will tell a few words about Ekadashi also. Again, no compulsion. Because at your stage, like babies, how babies are treated at home, no, all concession for them. You can eat anytime, do anything. Even नैवेद्य प्रसाद बनाया, बच्चे को दे दिया, चलेगा, भगवान को नहीं खिलाया कभी. So like that, you people need not have to. No, but if you feel, nahi, when I want to observe fast, yes, I will explain to you. But just kindly remind me, I may forget. The flow, no, I may forget. Yeah, so we will go to the next slide, and this is Pranamam, Pranati. So whoever wants to take can take, or else I will continue. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Ajnanatimirandasya Jnananjana Shalakaya Chakshurunmilitam Yena Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Shri Chaitanya Manobhishtam Stapitam Yena Bhutale Swayam Rupa Kadamahyam Dadati Swapadantikam Vandeham Shri Guru Shri Yuta Padakamalam Shri Gurun Vaishnavansha Shri Rupam Sagrajatam Sahagana Raghunathanvitam Tam Sajivam Sadvaitam Savadutam Parijana Sahitam Krishna Chaitanya Devam Shri Radha Krishna Padan Sahagana Lalita Shri Vishakanvitamsha He Krishna Karuna Sindhu Deenabandhu Jagatpate Gopesha Gopika Kanta Radha Kanta Namostute Tapta Kanchana Gaurangi Radhe Vrindavaneshwari Vrishabhanusute Devi Pranamami Hari Priye Vancha Kalpatarubhyascha Kripa Sindhubhya Evacha Patitanam Pavanebhyo Vaishnavebhyo Namo Namah Namo Brahmanya Devaya Go Brahmana Hitaya Cha Jagathitaya Krishnaya Govindaya Namo Namaha Namo Mahavadanyaya Krishna Prema Pradayate Krishnaya Krishna Chaitanya Namne Gauratvishe Namaha Gurave Gaurachandraya Radhikaya Tadalaye Krishnaya Krishna Bhaktaya Tadbhaktaya Namo Namaha Nama Om Vishnu Padaya Krishna Preshaya Bhutale Srimati Bhakti Vedanta Swami Iti Namine Namaste Saraswati Devi Gauravani Pracharine Nirvisesha Shunyavadi Paschatya Deshatarine Panchatattvatmakam Krishnam Bhaktarupa Swarupakam Bhaktavataram Bhaktakyam Namami Bhakta Shaktikam Jai Sri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhara Shri Vasadi Gaura Bhakta Vrinda Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare. So that was our pranamams to all the Vaishnavas and Guru and Bhagwan and all the Acharyas for everyone. Yes, so this is the course of level 1 course. The name is Understand Bhagavad Gita in 18 days. So by this time you can understand how much we have understood right from first day to this day. Thoda to gaya rahega na, thoda to andar gaya rahega. So but then you can learn more. Very interesting part. You can learn more. And this again I'm saying level 2 message is already put, who have come little late after my when I said this, even for their benefit I'm saying. The message of that L2, admission is already put. L1 admission to 3-4 din pehle hi dal diya. So that also you can attend. You can attend for it. 3 p.m. is not comfortable. Go for 6 a.m. or 7 p.m. or 9 p.m. And level 2, yes, you should go. That is how we have to learn. We don't sit in the same class and learn. We have to go for it. But समझा ही नहीं तो अरे समझा नहीं करके तो और level 2 में जाने के बाद और भी अच्छी तरीके से सिखाएंगे. Level 2 teachers are little different. Not that we only come for level 2. It's not that they are different. They are qualified. No one is all qualified and all. We don't take that BEd training. No training is given. It is only seva we are doing. Tomorrow, when you become all this, if you start chanting well and all, no, and you're really dedicated, you have a lot of time to, spend and all. There will be one form will be given, seva form. You can opt for, for teaching if you are interested. Then you can opt for teaching. Yes, but you must be chanting more, 16 rounds. And then you will be selected to teach. Yeah, again, this 18 days course, you can also teach. No hard and fast at all. Nobody is given special training and all. So automatically Krishna will grace us. There's no training. Okay. So we are all actually, my base is also not in the teaching profession. I was in a different. But then, seva karne ka soch liya, to then I'm good in this, Excel sheet and the other things and all. So I help the admins also. So anyway, so that is how you can do seva. So you can also teach Bhagavad Gita. And more you teach, you understand better. Okay, this is a level 1 course, and today we are going to take up 16 chapters. Just 2 more days to go, but 18 days to get over. Deva Asura Sampad Vibhaga Yoga, that is a title. Means what? The qualities we inherit. Inherit means already have. It is, Paidaishi, that guna. Deva Asura, that good, that divine qualities and demonic qualities we have. So let us see what are those, and let us give up demonic qualities and cultivate more of divine qualities, and which endures Krishna. Based on the teachings of His Divine Grace, Abhay Bhaktivedanta Swami Prabhupada, founder Acharya of International Society for Krishna Consciousness. So yesterday, what did we see? The smallest chapter, which is Purushottama Yoga. From material world, how to transcend ourselves to spiritual world. That is how we have to go. From here, either bete to you moksha to nahi milega. You can be in that bliss and you can enjoy that here. Very rare, some very few people can get that. But yahan baith ke to always dukkha. It is dukkale mashasvatam. Something it will keep coming and poking us. Better to go to that better place and get liberated. So how can we go there? Only by detachment from the materialistic things and people and everything. Anything material, just be detached with them and then surrender towards the Lord. Appreciating Krishna's position as our maintainer in this world, and the summary of Vedanta and Vedas also we saw. And knowing Krishna means knowing everything. So that is how we are all trying to know Krishna in each chapter. We keep understanding, and many are repeated also. So let's try our best to understand. So today, Deva Asura Sampad Vibhaga Yoga, divine and demonic qualities. What do they lead to? When we have demonic qualities, where it will lead us? If we have divine qualities, but that will also lead us. Then giving up demonic tendencies and following scriptures. This is what we are going to take up. It's also a small only, but I think 26, 27 shlokas. Om Shri Krishnaya Paramatmane Namaha. Deva Asura Sampad Vibhaga Yoga. Atha Shodashodhyaya, 16th chapter. So 1, 2, 3. The first is all 3 verses together. It's a big, meaning. It will take at least half an hour's time to complete this and go further. Okay. Shri Bhagavan Uvacha Abhayam Sattva Samshuddhir Jnana Yoga Vyavastitihi Danam Damascha Yajnascha Swadhyayas Tapa Arjavam Ahimsa Satyama Akrodas Tyagas Shantir Apaishunam Daya Bhuteshu Aloluktuam Madhavam Hrir Achapalam Teja Kshama Dhriti Shaucham Adroho Nati Manita Bhavanti Sampadam Devim Abhijatasya Bharata. Okay. So now what is all this? Everything will be explained in the next slide. Each word is explained. Okay. The Supreme Personality of Godhead said, first is what? Fearlessness. Why should we have fear? When you know, when you see, every time I give this example, like when you go in a train or, bus, some public bus or some bus, even a private bus. You don't go and ask the driver, oh, are you really qualified? Show me your license, Baba. You slept well last night? You'll be able to drive, no? You'll be out. We never even bothered to know who is the driver. Ticket mil gaya, seat mil gaya, bus, then you enjoy. Why? You have total faith in the driver, whoever is driving. So why can't we have faith in the Lord? Definitely, because He's created everything, He is maintaining, and He's going to annihilate all the miscreants, of course. And if you have here to there, definitely, and here also the pious will be retained. This miscreant, they will be annihilated. So that we will see in the detail later. So what we must cultivate is fearlessness. We need not have to fear about a future. Marks kitna aega, whether will I get a job, whether I will get that position, whether I will get that money, that land deal, this. For everything we have fear. Nothing to like, in the old days, oh, I should not fall sick. So much money then I will need. Government hospital hai na. Why go to private? Government office, not all the government hospitals are bad. Some government hospitals have first class this also. Go and get treated. They're all best doctors come there. Doctors who are getting trained are trained in that government hospitals only. So, I mean, what I'm saying is, everything is not surrounded by money and all this tension. Just have faith in the Lord. He will take care of us. So, fearlessness, that is the first thing which is given. Abhayam. Bhayam is fear. Abhayam is fearlessness. Then purification of one's existence. Where are we? We are living in this impermanent world. Dukhalayam ashaswatam. So we have to purify our existence. We are here. We have to purify. How to purify? Go out of this jail. So we have to keep, upgrading ourselves by this spiritual things and all we have to learn, and we have to develop ourselves as a Atma. We are all in Atma. We have to serve the Lord. Thinking that way, we have to purify ourselves. Then cultivation of spiritual knowledge. Attend all these classes. Then only you understand. If you don't attend the classes and all, you won't know. Nobody will knock your door and come, I will teach you Bhagavad Gita. Even if they come also, you will not be in a mood to join. Only when you go to a class, there is a proper time, there is a proper place, you go, learn and come. So we have to cultivate spiritual knowledge also. Then charity. Yes, Dan. Dan is very important. Tomorrow's chapter will talk about more of Dan. Where to give, whom to give, and all will be explained. Then self-control. Yes, you have to control yourself. Means what? All your all the senses you have to control. When to use, what to use, where to use, everything. You should use your brain, your intelligence to control your mind as well as all the senses. Then only the mind will be your friend. That also we saw in the earlier chapters. But if you just leave it loose, kabhi khana hai, chalo, abhi khane ka dil karte, kha lo. Abhi sone ka dil karte, so jao. Abhi wo karne ka everything, if you say yes to the mind will become your master. Then you cannot escape. Mind will keep demanding so many things and we will not be spared. So we have to control. That is what is called self-control. Then performance of sacrifice. Yes, yagnya, yagam, tapas and all that. If you cannot do, at least help those people who are doing, at least pay some, otherwise attend that. Even if you cannot pay money, you cannot do anything, you don't know the shloka. Be with them, attend, at least sunke le lo. So in the mandir and all, they do it. You can participate. So performance of sacrifice, study of the Vedas, again, scriptural studies. So study of Vedas. Bhagavad Gita is also Vedas. No? It's a Veda, all Veda ka sar hai. This is a summary of all the Vedas. So Bhagavad Gita is also a study of Vedas. And then austerity. Yes, getting up early in the morning. And then I said, 4:30 ka Manglarti hota hai. All this, everything, like a timetable, if you keep, blissful life you can lead. ऐसा नहीं कि संडे है, आज छुट्टी है, I will get up anytime, do anytime. That will never lead us anywhere. We'll never feel happy also. So austerity, simplicity, non-violence, truth. अभी non-violence का सब पीछे दिया है. All that explanation is given. Quickly, I will just read these things. Truthfulness, freedom from anger, renunciation, tranquility, aversion to fault finding. It's mainly important for all the retired people, including me. फुर्सत है, काफी टाइम है अपने पास. You no need of going to job, simply eat and sit and watch what people are doing and keep finding fault. Hey, why are you doing this? Why are you standing? Why are you not sitting? Why are you sitting? Why are you not sleeping? They keep finding fault because they have been lived their life blissfully, busy. Now they are all sitting idle. But what they will do with their mind? Fault finding. So unko kya bolna hai? Ye pakdo Bhagavad Gita, start attending class. So like me, when old days, when they do all this, they don't have any time for looking at anybody. Even phone comes, cut it off. No, I am so busy. Should make all that old people also to learn Bhagavad Gita. So they will come away from fault finding. It is not only for elders, old people, even youngsters also have this habit of always finding fault with others and all. No, what are we? We have to find our own fault and improve. Compassion to all living entities, freedom from covetousness, gentleness, modesty, steady determination, vigor, forgiveness, fortitude, cleanliness, and freedom from envy and freedom from passion for honor. Honor, dishonor में बहुत रहता है ना. अरे मेरे को तो काबिलियत है, so much I am capable. Nobody is even looking at me and कोई शाबाशी नहीं बोलता है. So people wait to get patting. Oh, so that's what in our class all bachchas now, we are all small kids. There's even certificate will be given. So you yourself will feel very nice. Oh, I've got that certificate like that. Later, of course, later also we have, when you complete level 2 certificate is there, level 3 certificate, all that certificate will be given. And later, when you go to level 5, that certificate is valuable also. Not level 1 certificate is only for namesake. Only to pat your back and, oh, very good, you have done very good job. Go to level 2 for that. Yeah, so for honor, because nobody will check for level 2, show me your the mark sheet or show me your certificate, then only you're allowed. No, nothing like that. You can just go to level 2. So for this freedom from envy and what? Freedom from envy and freedom from passion for honor, these transcendental qualities, O son of Bharata, belong to godly men, endowed with divine nature. So those who are godly, good nature people will have all this. Yeah. Now the detail. Actually, you need not have to go, but then I felt it's better. You're all very, intelligent and little mature people. No? So I thought, for children and all, we don't put all this. Okay, this is all Varna Ashrama. It is fit for whom? Sannyasi ko fit hoga, ki grahastha ko fit hoga and all that. We will not go for the timing. Let us not do that. In level 2 as well as you will do all this. Okay, qualities first is what? Abhayam, that Sattva Shamsuddhe, Jnana Yoga, all words are given here. And what is the description is given? Just 10 minutes mein khatam karenge. Fearlessness, complete dependence on Supreme Lord's mercy. Just total surrender. When you total surrender, you know everything, he will take care. Nothing, I need not have to know what he can do. So many people are really be able to remember me. Why not? He says, no, if you are my devotee, I will see to it that you are there in my, you are with me, you are staying with me and all that. So let's test, we'll do only japa and think of him, whether he's making our life blissful. More than what you think of, he will make our life very happy. So complete dependence on Supreme Lord's mercy. So there's no fear at all. It has to be alone without guarantee of support. Convinced that Paramatma will give us all protection to, give all protection to surrendered soul. That conviction we should have, because we are all, surrendered to Lord, he will take care of us. Then purification of one's existence. That is Sattva Samshuddhir. Strictly following rules and regulations, especially forbidden intimate association with women. That has to be, that's a very, dangerous thing. Like, you get very easily attracted and then you fall in a pit. Not the women are not to be blamed. We have to blame the men who are loose. They are all what? They can't control their lust. So they fall in the pit. Women they're born beautiful. What to do? We are all beautiful and we are all what? Intelligent. We are all smart. Everything. We have all that. Bhagavan bolte hai na, all that thing he has given us. In 11th chapter, he says, for female, he has given that patience and everything, all that quality he has bestowed us. But then you should not fall prey to that. So men has to be strong, but they are not strong. So you have to be very careful. So that's why when the Swamijis and all those people come, Acharyas and all, you should fall at their feet, but you should be distancing yourself from, you should not be touching their feet and all that. And you should always put cover yourself. You should not show your body. Just totally cover yourself. So Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was very, he was very strict. He was personally very strict man. And one of his disciples, Chota Haridas, he had some attraction for the female. He said, no, then go out of my ashram. You are not allowed here at all because we follow very strict rules. So like that, so Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was very strict that way. Okay, cultivation of knowledge. Again, Bhagavad Gita is a class. Again, after that, Bhagavatam, again, Chaitanya Charitamrita, it keeps on and on. We can keep learning here. So duty of a sannyasi. This is, cultivation of knowledge is what? For grahas, for this also. That first stage. I'm forgetting the word. Okay. See, but offered the sannyasi also. Sannyasi, what he will do, he cannot go take up a job. So he will be sitting in one place, means what? He will loiter. He need not have to go to job for earning his livelihood and all. He will bhakti bhikshandali, whatever is given. For that time he gets food, he eats, then he'll go to some other place. Again, he will ask alms and all that. So that is what sannyasi has to keep developing his knowledge. So cultivation of knowledge. And I am forgetting that word. Brahmachari. Sometimes, some certain words, doesn't catch at all. Brahmacharis. Who brahmachari is that? Student. So in the studenthood also, people learn. they develop the this rich knowledge develop करके लेते हैं. So duty of a sannyasi must cultivate and give transcendental knowledge, especially to householders. So they go to certain people, then they welcome also sannyasis, and people welcome home and all that. They give them food, make them sit and all that. And what he will give some lectures. He will give lectures on what, not how to make money and all. Arey Bhagwan ka chap karo, ye karo, wo karo. So he gives some knowledge to the householders. Who can give money to them? Who can feed them? Only a grahastha, because grahasthas can take up a job. They will have money to do this dan and all that. So the sannyasi will learn everything. They will themselves will not learn, earn anything, but they will go to each household, they will go and they will impart knowledge how to transcend, how to develop this bhakti, and what scriptural knowledge. Especially to householders, they will go and preach that. Humility begs from door to door to awaken Krishna consciousness for others. That is how sannyas ashrama. This is meant for sannyas ashrama as well as to student life also. Then charity. Who can give charity? Grahastha, because again, only they are capable of earning. So what they will do, so much they earn, that part of their salary is given 50%. Aajkal mein 50% is too much, I feel, but whatever. So if a person is earning so much, so 50% they sakte, no problem. So charity given in the mode of goodness, right time, place, person. All this description, tomorrow we will see. The whole chapter is about that only. Spend 50% of their income to propagate Krishna consciousness. Charity in passion and ignorance is waste of time. Just my pride. Arey, mere ko ATG certificate, will I get that thing? Will I get some concession in tax rebate and all that? Then that is, of course you can do. Not that you should not do. Then nobody will give actually. To convert that black money into white, people do all that. ठीक है ना, अभी मंदिर को पैसा भी चाहिए. So ठीक है, you do something, they do. So whatever they do, they can take it. But 50% of your hard-earned money when you give, it is good for us also. And you should, for developing Krishna consciousness, you should give up. Then charity in passion and ignorance is waste of time. Ignorance mein kya? Anywhere they will give charity. To anybody, anyone, any place, that is out of ignorance. And passion, naam kamane ke liye when you give, that is also, it's waste. Then self-control, damaha, that is applicable to all, especially for grahastha. Especially sex life should be used only for propagating Krishna conscious children. ऐसा नहीं कि मुझे आज मूड आया, I like sexual act, so I am doing. And then what? No, then we don't want bacha, gira do, then you take the tablet, go to hospital. No, that is all not a good pious act at all. If you really want to have children, that to God conscious children, yes, then that act is considered to be good. So yeah, that should be refer some Bhagavad Gita shloka is also 7.11 we can refer. Yeah. Then sacrifice, yajna, requires material resources. Naturally, one yajna karne ke liye ghee leke aao, wo leke aao. Who can get? A sannyasi is not earning. How will he get everything? A student like a brahmachari also can't do. Only a grahastha can. A grahastha can. He is earning money, so he will have some money. He will have some provision. He can buy certain things and he can use it. So this family life for grahastha, this sacrifice is meant for them. So that's why they get married also. They get married not for sexual pleasure. This one, दोनों साथ में मिलके हम यज्ञ करेंगे, दोनों साथ में मिलके भगवान का पूजा करेंगे. It is for that purpose, and they will have children also for what? To produce Krishna conscious child. और भक्ति में एक बच्चा भी पैदा करेंगे हम लोग, या 4 बच्चा पैदा करेंगे. They should be fully aware of what is God. For that purpose, they will have bigger children also. So require material resources like Agnihotra Yajna. Therefore, especially for grahasthas. So Sankirtana Yajna is best. Out of all the yajnas, Bhagavan khud hi bolte hain, I am the Japa Yajno Asmi. I am in the Japa. Out of all the yajna, I am in the Japa Yajna. So that is the best. And most inexpensive. Japa Yajna is what? What investment you do? Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Rama, Rama Rama. How much are you spending? Nothing. Only a little of your energy is getting wasted. No problem. You can drink water or have a little more food. Again, you have that energy. So most inexpensive. Anyone can do it. No qualification required. Highest benefit. And the japa mein bahut sara benefit. Than when you actually spend and do yajna and all, japa yajna is more beneficial. Then Vedic study. Like scriptural studies, what we learn. Again, that is meant for student life and student life, brahmachari. Recommendation of brahmachari is mainly what? Not only student life, they have to follow celibacy and engagement of mind in the study of Vedic literature. Only when they think of getting married, they will be allowed to have the actual proper relationship with a female. Otherwise, as long as they are brahmachari, they should be away from the females and all. Then austerity, all, especially vanaprastha. This is applicable to all austerity, human life, and therefore Vedic culture is meant for liberation. For that, tapasya is a must. One must retire after a household, like approximately 50 years of age. Aajkal to शादी करते हैं 40-45 में. I have to achieve that, I have to achieve this, I have to get good job, I have to buy a house, I have to do that, this. 35 तो निकल ही जाते हैं, 30-35 तो आराम से निकल जाते हैं. Then they think of marrying, then after marriage immediately बच्चा नहीं, then they will think of planning, 40-45 में एक बच्चा पैदा होता है. Then at the age of बच्चा 5 years old, how can they take retirement? Then you work again for another 20 years till the child is becoming 20-year-old and he is in his own foot and he's can take care of him. So abhi aajkal bhi sab ulta balti ho gaya. Those days what? The men were also getting married. The boys, in fact, not men. They were all little boys only. College going boys and girls were getting married. Girls were also school going, kids were getting married. So, but then what happens is their children were also born earlier. So by the time they are 50, their child will be 35, almost 30-35 is about. So then you can retire yourself and from household and think of God and spend your life entirely blissfully. Then austerity can be of body, mind, and tongue. Refutes show bottle spiritualist who says that there is no need of austerity in life and one can go on speculating. Such philosophy attracts many followers. There are people, kya zarurat hai? Why do you want to do this? Oh, this creation, but God, no, God has not created. It is only, and so many people are populating. How? Populating because of sexual desire. They have sex and they bacha paida karte hain. Kutta ko itna bacha kyun hua? Because they had relation. So they will talk like unnecessary. Some people are there atheists. They will talk like that and all. So they refute on this. Okay. Simplicity. Then simple and straightforward. One has to observe. Then non-violence. These are about godly nature. No, you should not forget. Ye sab kya hai actually? What are we learning? You should not forget. What are we learning? All this? These are all godly nature. Non-violence. This is very important. What is non-violence? All these. Before entering into Bhagavad Gita, I was thinking non-violence means don't harm anybody with your words or mind or kaya, what manasa, kaya, vacha. So even with your words or with your action or even with your thoughts, you should not harm anybody. That's what I thought. But here it's given what? Non-violence implies not checking progressive life of any living entity. If you have your people at home, you should help them to, develop spiritual knowledge. देखो मैं आ गई हूँ या मैं आ गया हूँ, चलो आप भी आ जाओ, भगवान का कुछ तो करो. That will help you. In spite of your telling, if they don't take up, it's a different story. But you don't tell anybody, but you will only go forward, level 2, level 3, level 4. कोई पूछेगा तो, ओ तुम्हारे बस का बात नहीं, मेरे, I can only do. That is what is this non-violence. You're not allowing others to spiritually progress. That is non-violence. You should not do that. You should always help others also to spiritually do. So what? You have to tell all those people to join November. This is given in Bhagavad Gita, but we can use it in our own advantage. November batch के लिए अपना घर के लोग सदस्यों को चलो ज्वाइन करो. बच्चा छोटा बच्चा है, चलेगा, उसको किड्स में डाल दो, कॉलेज गोइंग किड्स यूथ में डाल दो, adults, yes, everybody join this. Then whether they are attending every day or no is a different question. So in our class also, how many people are there? In WhatsApp, if you see so many people are there, how many people could make it? So you should remember that shloka also. Everything Bhagwan has given. Manushyanam sahasreshu. Yeah, what? Manushyanam sahasreshu. What? That siddhaye. Very few people can, achieve till the end. And in that also, how many people go towards the end? How many people can realize me? Very few in that also. Yes, that is the same story is happening here also. In our class also, how many people initially in the WhatsApp, so many people are there. But then how many people started in the first day? Reduce. Now it has come to 11 and 12 and 11 and 12. Right? But no problem. It is so many people are actually blessed. You people are blessed. Not that other people are not blessed. Some problem, they could not make it. Yes, next month, chalo. So they should have that awareness. Oh, ye mahina to hua nahi, because so many commitments. Next month, I'm going to do it. No single day I'll do such, awareness they should get. Manishyanam sahasreshu yattat kadap. I forget that words. Siddhaye and all that. Okay, non-violence implies not checking progressive life of any living entity. So we should, whether they are our maid servant hone do, ya anybody, car driver hone do, car cleaner hone do, anybody, watchman, anybody you see, अरे करो भाई, तुम्हारा हिंदी है ना, language हिंदी में भी सिखाते हैं. Somebody say no, मैं तो ओडिया का हूँ. Yes, ओडिशा में ओडिया language में भी सिखाते हैं. And somebody may say I'm Tulu. Yes, Tulu में भी है. We have 12 languages. If you want us to introduce some French and German also, yes, we may find some teacher, some people who are good in that language. Yes, we can also have a class in that. So we have 12 languages. So language is not a barrier at all. You want to learn Bhagavad Gita? Yes. Tell me which language. Yes, we will introduce that class and we will start. And so everybody should be in the spiritual path. Then truthfulness, no, not distort the truth for some personal interest, especially Vedic instruction. Example, misinterpreted Bhagavad Gita commentaries. You can find in the market, there are plenty of Bhagavad Gita books written by some doctor so-and-so, Sanskrit Pandit, or koi, but you can't, they will have their own way of interpreting things. We should always go with the Guru Parampara system. Guru Acharya, Acharya said, and the disciple has taken that, instruction. Then that instruction is taken. When he becomes a guru, he will impart to his disciple. So that Guru Parampara system only we have to follow. We cannot buy any books because he is good in Sanskrit, because he is written, he could afford to write and all that. No, we can't. Then we get confused. Then we will have, isme to aisa likha tha, isme to aisa likh rahe hain. So which one should I follow? Because we are all babies, right? We do not know. So whoever is taking our hand and taking, this is your house, okay. Somebody will say, this is your house. Kal to ye aadmi bola tha ye house hai. Aaj to ye aadmi ye house hai bol raha hai. So we will get confused. So we have to always follow a proper systematic way, which is actually taken by ISKCON. So otherwise you will be misinterpreted Bhagavad Gita commentaries. You can find many in the market. Then process of understanding Vedas, one must hear from authority, Shruti. So all the sages and all, they all got Shruti Jnana. They all got that Bhagwan ka, that Avach they could hear, and they went on and on and on. They were writing. That is how they learned. Yeah, two more slides are there. Then freedom from anger, akrodha. Krodha is anger, akrodha. So one should be not be getting angry. That is also a divine quality. Even if there is a provocation, somebody is irritating you, maximum they try to see that you get angry. Still, they have that in the gun. They are trying to provoke me. Let me not fall prey to that. Let me be very strong like that. So one should be tolerant. Anger pollutes the whole body. So sabko to pata hai, your BP increases. So red, you become BP increases, you shout. And then what? That shloka is also there. When you lose your your brain stop working, you get all the shloka, many things are there. If you keep learning that, you will immediately correlate. Oh, in that shloka it comes, when you get angry, what happens? Then anger is a product of passion and lust. So only people who are too passionate and too this, they get angry very fast. People who are calm and quiet, it's okay, don't bother. They will not bother. Then renunciation, tyaga, using things properly, that is in Krishna service. Tranquility, unaffected by disturbing emotions, peacefully. These are all this is applicable to all the varnashramas. Okay, this is not important at this stage, but then later we can. Then aversion to fault finding. Apaishunam. To call a thief thief is okay, but no unnecessary fault finding or correction. Beta home, I will improve your life. Come, don't do this, don't do. Nobody's asking your advice at all. So don't give free advice. Only people come and ask you once and twice. Okay, tumko sunna hai, then I will explain to you. Otherwise, free advice we may not have given. So we are nobody to correct them. Compassion to all living entities. Daya gives a spiritual knowledge. Prasadam, books, holy name and all that. This gives spiritual knowledge. Freedom from covetousness. Alo luktvam. Covetousness, greedy, charity and renunciation. Gentleness, mardava. This is friendliness to all living entities. Compassion, you can say. Modesty, Khrir. Khrir is modesty. Do not perform abominable actions and be very modest. Abominable is whatever is said not to see. I mean, like for 18 years and above can only see this movie. But before 18 years, ऐसा क्या है मुझे देखना ही है. अरे खून खराब है, you will get all bad dreams. They don't understand. They will say, and the रात को नींद नहीं आते. Oh God, I'm getting a shock. I'm getting all the delusion and all that. Who asked you to see? It is clearly mentioned 18 years and above. Your maturity will grow only after that 18 years. Then only you can understand. Because after all, a screen mein sab chal raha hai. It's all a story. But before that, the children are very small to understand. Then they get that fear and all that. This is the last slide. And steady determination. Acha palam. Yeah. Not agitated or frustrated in his efforts, regardless of failure, then progress with patience and determination. Like for example, of attending classes. Arey, kitna mein koshish kiya, all the 18 days I could not attend. I could attend only 5 days. waste. No, I will not do 18 days course at all. Just give up. Take interest. Nahi hua, chhod diya. No. What we have to do again? Let us try again next month. Next month, oh, because exam is the next month. So, but you keep attempting, keep taking registration, and then try your best to attend. Then one fine day you will learn. So you should be steady, determined. Then progress with patience and determination. Vigor, that is called Tejaha. This is for Kshatriyas. Yeah, able to give protection to those who need it. No, not post non-violent, but use violence when needed. So, I mean, border mein khade, they're all Kshatriyas only. They're very bold and standing erect. Attention. Arey, but I can't kill you. Arey, you will be dead. Yeah, I'll kill you and all that kun. If I see it, I go mad and I lose my, मैं बेहोश हो जाएगा and all. You cannot say that. You have to be very strong. Where where violence is needed, you have to observe that. वहाँ पे when you are there, you have to kill this opposite enemy, whoever crosses the border and all. You have to kill them. That is how we have to use our. So, but use violence when needed. Forgiveness, kshama. Forgive minor offenses of others. Always forgive others because we are not perfect. First of all, when you forgive others, you have that automatic tendency, like, and your nature will also become such that people will also understand. Even your minor mistakes, everybody will forgive. When one is able to curb down his enemies, he may under certain conditions show forgiveness. Okay, fortitude, fritihi. Mental and emotional strength when facing difficult situation. Be strong. Yeah, firm. Then cleanliness, shaucham. Internal, yes, internal mind and heart we have to keep clean by chanting and always being the God-minded. And external also, keeping your body clean and in dealings with others also. Speak truth and properly use no harsh words and all. So no black market or underhanded dealings. Your transaction with others also should be so very transparent that you will not be caught. ऐसा नहीं कि तुम अरे किसी को बोलना नहीं है, under the table I'll give you something or I'll take something. Such dealings are not required at all. So shaucham, both internal and external. Then freedom from envy, adroho, not resentful of another. The last one is freedom from the passion for honor. Nati manita, man apaman, we say no, nati means not needed. So that is again, especially to Shudras, because they are working category, they always expect, oh, kuch to mere ko milega, like abhi aayega na Diwali mein, bakshis and all. We are all Shudras only. It is not that workers only, our building saaf karne wala, car driver. No, we are also Shudras only. When we work in a company, we also expect some bonus, some performance bonus. If not Diwali bonus, some performance bonus, some that, this. We keep expecting. So we are also Shudras only. Must respect others. One should not be puffed up with unnecessary prestige and honor, but remain in one's own status. These are all explanation given. Now we go to the next shloka. Dambo darpo abhimanasya krodha paryushyam evacha ajnanam cha abhijatasya pata sampadam asurim. Pride, arrogance, conceit, anger, harshness, and ignorance. These qualities belong to those of demonic nature. O son of Pratap. इतना नहीं है, और भी बहुत सारे हैं. Is only one of the shloka they have given. Yeah, so what two qualities we saw? Just read quickly. Divine qualities or transcendental qualities, or यहाँ पे demonic qualities. One is that starts with fearlessness, cultivation of spiritual knowledge, charity, steady determination, self-control, performance of sacrifice, simplicity, non-violence, freedom from envy, austerity, truthfulness, compassion for all living entities, and cleanliness. यहाँ पे what is demonic nature? No belief or faith in God, no belief in existence of soul, pride, arrogance, anger, harshness, ignorance, desire to be famous, demanding respect from others, do not follow or believe in Shastras. So if we have all these, any of these qualities, kindly we'll have to think that no, abhi se aaj se main gussa nahi hoonga, because if I have gussa, mean I am like this with horns, I'm considered as a demonic tendency. So we should leave pride, arrogance, all this we have to leave. Slowly it will go away from us. How to develop divine qualities, then how are we supposed to take up? And how to defeat demonic qualities? Question arises, no? How to do? First of all, check your friends. Just check who are your friends. Whether they are good enough to motivate you to a better place or to take you down, deviate you. So choose your friends wisely. They're all taken from kids class, okay? So even your ghar ka bachcho bhi padhenge na, they will still be very interesting for them. So they will understand with all these pictures and all, they will understand it. So first is what? Choose your friend. Where the sung, what sung you are, you become automatically, you become. You will not know in 1 day or 2 days. After few months or few days, you will go, oh, what have I become? I am also talking like the same, my friend. Once, I used to hate the way he was speaking. No, I also started using the same words. So automatically we get ourselves changed. So, yeah, friends, like, good friends doing japamala and all. Yes, you can have such friends. And then process of purification. There are certain process like doing, japa karne ke liye. Some schools, they give a lot of time and all. Such schools are always better. You can make your children join such schools. They allot some time for, peaceful, do japa and all that. And others, the next is what? Chanting, devotional service mein chanting and listening to scriptures, honoring prasad. You offer Bhagwan ko sab prasad chada. Same thing, you have it as prasad only. You should have. You should not have anything other than whichever is not offered to the Lord. Kindly avoid. Not at this stage again. This is in the long run. This keep practicing. A day will come. You yourself will say, "Nahi yaar, Bhagwan ko chadaya nahi, bhog nahi chadaya. How can I have you? Nahi to mani man mein you can start. You're traveling. Abhi 24 hours flight mein jana hai. You don't expect the air hostess to do puja and all that. हाँ भगवान को भोग चढ़ाए तुम ले लो. वो कभी पैक किया कभी किसी को पता ही नहीं है. And they just give, we eat, they give, and we keep eating that. So, but man में पूजा करके we can have it. Oh, before when the plate is given, there are circumstances when you can't help it. You're just traveling on the long roadways also. You get what अपना इसमें what roadside eateries and all. Yes, Hare Krishna. And have it simple. So honoring prasadam. So you should always take it as a prasad. Actually, man mein prasad karke Bhagwan ko chada lo and then have it. Then gigo concept. I think in our class everybody will know gigo. Garbage in, garbage out. People who are in computer field, they know. Goods in, goods out. Whatever you feed in as a program, that only is output. So when you see the output, if the margin is not okay, if you ask question and it is not, replying in a different answer, then you check your program and you correct the program, right? That is, I'm not a technical, I'm not a programmer also, but I feel that way. So what you input, the same thing, the output also comes the same way. So first is what? Thoughts in our mind. Because now we can think of our joining 18 days course. When you came here, the thought came, we got a WhatsApp or somebody told you, somebody gave you link and thought came, should I join or no? Bhagavad Gita to padna hai, because I know a little, but I don't know anything like that. Half hai, malum bhi hai, malum nahi hai. So let us, the thought came ki chalo now, attend karke dekhte hain. Thoughts. Then the words also, are yaar, come. Yes, I'm joining. Okay, done. And all that. Then you put it in action. Dal diya, chalo WhatsApp mein aa gaya. So I have joined the course. You put it in action. Then you became a habit. Those who are regularly attending, even people who don't regularly attend, they feel so guilty. They write to me. I feel very bad for them. It's okay. 1 or 2 days you can't attend, but you feel so feeling guilty. They are writing to me, sorry, Mathaji, today, this happened, today that, and that parents teachers meeting, mother-in-law's not well. Oh, it's okay. All these things are happening. It will definitely happen. You need not have to feel so bad about yourself. But that shows an intense desire to attend the class. So I felt very nice about those people who are, those who are really feeling their, absence in the class. So, yeah, so it becomes a habit then. All the 18 days you attend. On the 19th day, again, that will be a vacuum. At 3 o'clock, 2:30, Arey, kya, aaj class nahi hai? What to do, yaar? Arey, abhi kya karu main? That helplessness, because you're so used to attending the class. So that has become your habit. And then it will form your character only. Character of what? Learning something new, learning something about Krishna, like that. And don't worry about our classes. We have plenty of classes. Only after 18 days, I don't know whether 19, because last month we did that. After 18 days, because people are getting so used to attending the class, the same students will be asked to come and attend. We had kept the glories of chanting Mahamantra. We had some certain, the slides and all. So every day we called. So it was only short, 15 to 20 minutes class only. So again, it depends. If you people are enough, Baba, 18 days, बहुत मुश्किल से attend किया. 19 day, I want some break. Yes, please take break. But that is how it becomes a habit, and that will form your character. So or even in bad, think of the other bad way also. The thought comes, story karna hai, karun ki nahi. Some money is dropped, somebody has dropped. Should I take 100 rupees, 500 rupees is there. Nobody is watching and nobody is taking also. Shall I take it? Chalo, le lo. Then words, karun ki nahi. So action mein utro, le liya. And somebody sees, "Arey, wo to mera paisa tha," then ladai and all that. Then not only that, action ek baar le liya, so then you always look out. "Arey, wo bus stop mein last time mila tha, aaj koi dala hai kya?" Or mind, no, it goes to hunt for somebody has dropped over so that I can take it. So it becomes a habit, and then you become a character. Even if before it drops, you just pick out from their packet and use it. So everywhere it is like that only. This is how Gigo concept, garbage in, garbage out. The way your friend circle behave, the same way you also behave. The way they talk, you also start talking that way. So it's like that. So when to start a life of devotion? At this stage, a baby, or like this, or at the old age? We have to decide. If we take up at this age, there's hardly any days left to practice more. Then again, you'll be born, I don't know what form. But when you practice from childhood, what happens now? You're all in this stage, I think. This and this stage. I think most of us are this and this. Okay. So what will happen is when you grow to this stage and grandmother stage, you're already mahir ho gaya, then you can give. I know. The next, in case you don't happen to go to Golaka Vrindavan, next life is assured to be born in a very good aristocratic family. No problem about your, money ka problem nahi hai, kuch tension nahi hai. When Prahlad was in mother's womb, he was able to hear to all Bhagavad Katha and all that. So like that, we will be lucky enough to get to hear when we are in mother's womb. We'll be born, of course, we'll be born as a human being, but in a very good family, well aristocratic family, and Shrimatam Gehe, that shloka comes like that. Everything is given in shloka, okay, Bhagavad Gita shloka. Not that I am cooking up a story. It is said in Bhagavad Gita, same thing is I'm saying that. So when to start a life of devotion, Prahlad Maharaj started even before his birth. Yeah. Devi Sampaddi Mokshaya Nibandaya Surimata Masucha Sampadam Devi Abhijatosi Pandava. The transcendental qualities are conducive to liberation. Yes, we should have the transcendental qualities, which will only take us to the liberation part. So, whereas the demonic qualities make for bondage. All this anger and conceit and all the other qualities. Now it will come. Bhagavan bole, abhi main bolta hu. You will take so many shlokas comes for demonic qualities. So whereas the demonic qualities makes for bondage, then again you go to either lower planet or you'll be born and you'll be leading an animal life and all that. Do not worry, O son. See what Krishna beach mein pat karte Arjuna ko. But don't worry, you are not born in a Sanna Pandu. For you're born with a divine quality. So don't worry about yourself. I'm just telling generally how things are, but you don't worry about yourself. You are born with good qualities only, with divine qualities. Then thou Dvaubhuta Sargaloke Asmin Deva Asura Evacha Devo Vistarashas Prokta Asuram Patame Shruno. I'm going to tell you all this in detail now. Shruno, Suno. In this world, there are two kinds of created beings. One is called divine and the other is demonic. Okay? The two will be, two qualities are there. So I have already explained to you at length the divine qualities. Now hear from me about the demonic. Same amount of time is going to take to explain about the demonic qualities also. In many shlokas it will come. Pravritim cha nivritim cha janana vidur asuraha na shaucham na pichacharo na satyam teshu vidyate. Those who are demonic do not know what is to be done and what is not to be done. Just one person is throwing a party, he has all that friend hai na, so theek hai na, uska birthday thodi roz aata hai, chalo jayenge na. One small peg, then one small peg, it will become 4 big bottles. But he doesn't know where to put a stop. Ek liya, nasha chad gaya. Or ek liya, nasha chad. And with friends, what? Arey lena kya, aisa and all. The friends make you drink and all that. Then you lose your brain. Then that's all. So they do not know what is to be done and what is not to be done. So neither cleanliness, nor proper behavior, nor truth is found in them. They are not truthful. Always muh ke samne kuch, piche kuch. No cleanliness, no proper behavior. Ultimately, it becomes like that. That is how things are. So better to have our friends. Friends are very important. Yeah. Then proud atheist. Asatyam apratishtam te jagat ahur anishwaram aparasya sambhutam kim anyat kama hetukam. What he is saying? They say that proud atheists are very proud. They feel what? Tum log kya Bhagavad Gita padhte? I know what. All this Prakriti, he will have his own way of, definition of what Prakriti. They say that this world is unreal. with no foundation or God in control. No, God bakwas hai. थोड़ी ऐसा वो तो क्या, what black hole theory, what some and all physics जो पढ़ते हैं, they will say something. I'm not a physics student, so they have their own this what theory, what black hole and what? I forgot. Is there in my tip of my tongue? I forgot. Okay, so many people must know about that. Must be knowing. So they say it is all, the world is unreal with no foundation or no God in control. They say it is produced of sex desire. इतना सारा बच्चे पैदा किया, it is only because of sex only. इतना कुत्ता पैदा हो गया, इतना billies and billy and all that, everything, even human being, because of too many population, because they had sex and get married, they have kids. It is created that way. भगवान को कुछ हाथ नहीं है इसमें. And there's no cause or other than lust. There's nothing. It's only lust, and इसके वजह से that entire thing is growing. So if we have that mentality, we should come out of it. It is not because of that. So many people actually really married and they want kids. That doesn't happen. Until and unless you get God's grace, nothing moves. That should be understood. Okay, a rotten apple with good apple. Suppose if you are a good apple, chalo मान लिया, चलो हम लोग सब बहुत अच्छे हैं. हमारा surrounding is only bad. My friends are only bad. I am good only. I don't smoke. I don't drink. I don't talk nonsense. I don't watch movies and all. But my friends, no, they make me bad. So one rotten apple in that basket of other apple, that one rotten apple is capable enough to rot the other apples also. कि हम वैसे ही ढिल्ला डुल्ला है ना, उसकी वजह से we are not strong enough. No, we should be, अरे तुम क्या बकवास है, get lost, I don't want to be friendly with you करके we are not ready to forgo him. अरे वो मेरा friend है, क्या करेगा, I'll have to bear with him. After one fine day, after 10 days, you can see you are also getting rotten. So we are all in the stage. But if we are like a jasmine flower in a waste basket, what happens? Even it is thrown in a waste basket, the waste basket will also start smelling very good. We should be like this. We should be so confident about ourselves and our scriptures and everything. We should follow everything. Even if we are with bad friends, like कचरे को कूड़े में भी डाल दिया, no problem. That place also I'll make it महकने लगेगा. With my radiance, with my knowledge, I will make that place also in my friend circle में भी. I am so knowledgeable. Some drunkards and all those, people are only there. But I will impart so much things in them. अरे ISKCON में ऐसे सिखाते हैं, try once. I have learned so much. 18 days को तो मैंने 4 बार कर लिया. And then I'm in level 3 also. Just you keep doing all that, and you can tell your friends. They will look at you like this. अरे पढ़ाई भी करता है. He's going to work also. He's earning so much. He's in such a good position. Still, he's able to do all this. Then we should also follow him. So we should be like a jasmine flower. How many of us can become a jasmine flower? We can at least aim for it. And definitely everybody can become like this. Now, instead of being a small, rotten thing and all, we can behave like a jasmine flower. Etam drishtim avastabhya nashtatmano alpabuddhayah prabhavanti ugra karmanah kshayaya jagato ahitaha. Following such conclusions, the demonic who are lost to themselves and who have no intelligence engage in unbeneficial, horrible works meant to destroy the whole world. That world. Nuclear, just for, I have to safeguard myself. No, but you are going to spoil your own, our own people are getting killed. But no, I have to safeguard myself, and I'll have to, nuclear weapons and all, I have to keep it ready. So all these things, only for the less intelligent people. So they can arrive at this conclusion, and it will be of no beneficial to anyone, and it will engage in unbeneficial and horrible work meant to destroy the whole world. Now we see, we do not have to explain in detail. I mean, war which is going on, just go through those, you know what is happening. Neither they are happy, nor the other person is happy, but every day war. People are crying, and people are just so very sorry state of affair. So all these things happening because of no knowledge and no scriptural knowledge, basically. Yeah, then all these details already explained so many times. Kamam ashritya duspuram dambamana madangitaha mohat grihitva sat grahan pravartante ashuchi vrataha. Shuchi and ashuchi. Yes. Taking shelter of insatiable lust and absorbed in the conceit of pride and false prestige, the demonic, thus illusion, are always prone to unclean work attracted by impermanent. You can see gambling. एक बार जीता, दो बार जीता, fifth, fourth time, fifth time, sixth time, then 10 times you may be losing, but you will have, I mean, दो बार तो जीता ना, तो मेरे को तो जीतने का chance मिलेगा. He'll keep losing, but he will keep, gambling. So this is what, because of that, pride and, false association and what, insatiable lust, that is important. Lust to achieve more. It is women, wine and what? Women, wine and wealth. Wealth, women and wine. All three W's we have to avoid. Meat eating also. Ek bar mein kha ke, then promise I will not touch it all. What? Your tongue doesn't say that. No, only you feel that way. Next time, are yaar, hotel mein itna acha milta hai. I don't know. I'm just saying. So he's shown a pig here. He's cutting the pig and eating. Whatever. So, meat eating is also right. You cannot satiate it. You will want more and more. Intoxication also. Last peg. That last peg, he has said 10, 15 times. He'll keep having 4 bottles. Illicit relationship, gambling, all this comes under this only because of insatiable lust. Chintam aparimeyam cha pralayantam upashritaha kamo kabhogo parama etavat iti nishchitaha asa pasha satir baddhaha kamat krodha parayanaha ihante kama bhogatam anyanena sanchayan. They believe that to gratify the senses unto the end of life is the prime necessity of human civilization. I have gone. This is one life I have got. Let me enjoy. I have money. Let me enjoy. Who knows what will happen tomorrow? Who knows after death what happens? This is what generally people talk, right? So take a risk, lelo, and enjoy your life and, eat anything and do anything. The scriptures are not saying anything wrong. Scriptures have been written long back, and now slowly everything is coming in limelight. Yes, whatever is said in the scripture is all happening. Slowly people have got that awareness. Yes. There's a kuch to matlab hai isme, matlab kuch to baat hai. These people have written. So, but even now people feel ki are kaun dekha baat ki baat. Let's enjoy it. There's only one life. They think like that. So I'm born human, so let me enjoy. As a human, let me enjoy everything. Then there is no end to their anxiety. Then they keep, they want to enjoy. They'll keep the anxiety also, to achieve more and enjoy and all. Being bound by hundreds and thousands of desires, by lust and anger. They secure money by illegal means for sense gratification. See, gambling ke liye, yeah, for everything you need money, For drinking, nobody gives you free drink. Nobody gives you free, meat and all that. Then you have to have so much, I want to eat so much, I want to gamble and all. Then your salary is only so little. With that, how much you can gamble? Then you go for illegal means of procuring money just to satisfy your sense gratification. And this will keep increasing, and ultimately you will fall into a pit. Yeah. Idam madhyamaya labdham imam prapsye manoratam idam asthidam api me bhavishyati punardanam aso maya hatas shatrur hanishye cha param api ishwaro aham bhogi siddho aham balavan sukhi adyo abhijanavan asmi ko anyo asti sadrusho maya yakshe dasyami modishya iti ajnana vimohitaha. Before the class started, I only read this. I read that, the translation, because Mathaji ka link to the internet, her mobile stopped. So I got a chance to read this. Yeah, the demonic people think, what these people think? So much wealth do I have today, and I will gain more according to my scheme. Then we will put that scheme, this scheme. After, 10 years ke baad itna milega. After 15 years, are tumhara jaan next month, next moment you are alive or no, you do not know. Date of death to tumhara pata hi nahi hai, but you're aiming so high, after 10 years, after 50 years, after that, I'll build a house, I'll do that, I'll do this, and so much money, that scheme, this scheme, and all he's planning. So much is mine now, and it will be increased in the future. Everything is given in Bhagavad Gita. Can you imagine? Bhagavad Gita mein itna sara likha hai, as if, somebody is talking to us. So much is mine now, and it will increase in the future, more and more. SIP mein dalo, that, this, oil company doing good, gas companies are doing, pharma companies doing very good. So change to pharma companies, put your this, that, so many people are just market, maybe, they play all that. There's all gambling on. Okay, it will increase in the future more and more, he said. Then he is my enemy. I cannot spare him. I'm going to kill him. He's already just samjho ke wo mar gaya. तेरे आंखों के सामने, as well, I've killed him, and none will be spared. All they, whoever I consider them as my enemy, they'll all be killed one day. So he is my enemy. I have killed him, and my other enemy will also get killed. I am the Lord of everything. I am the enjoyer. I am perfect, powerful, happy. See, so many I you can find. खुद का इतना लाल, खुद का, that I factor is so much. I am like that. I am rich. I am the richest man. I am powerful, happy, I'm perfect. So, but I am the richest man, surrounded by aristocratic relatives, all big people. I move around with all बड़े-बड़े लोग के साथ में घूमता हूँ. छोटा लोग, I don't even look at them. I don't care them. Then what? Aristocratic relatives. There is none so powerful and happy as I am. I shall perform sacrifices. चलो यार, what वो इतना सारा what यज्ञ वो सब करना है क्या? चलो करेंगे ना. कितना पैसा लगता है अपना ना? चलो फेंक दिए. चलो 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 करो. बैनर लगाओ. वो जो हाईवे में भी उधर भी बैनर लगाओ. वो everywhere put the banner. My face should be seen. My name should be in bold, so that people will know that I am doing that yajna. Let people all come and eat and go. I am doing. No, I am doing. So that is what pride and all that. There's none. Everything is given in Bhagavad Gita. Okay. Adyo Abhivan Asmi Ko Anyo Asti Adrisho Maya Sadrisho Maya. So I shall give some. Then there is no one powerful. There's none so powerful and happy as I am. I shall perform sacrifices. I shall give some charity also. Chalo daan bhi diya. And thus I shall rejoice. I will give charity also. I feel so pride that I can feed so many people and give charity so much money, Then I shall rejoice. In this way, such persons are deluded by ignorance. This is not the quality of a, at least a right way of thinking. It is not in the Sattva-guna. Sattva-guna people will not behave like this. All the Tamo-guna and Rajo-guna people. So all this should be avoided. These are all demonic qualities. Now there are 4 yugas in the divine nature, demonic nature, and where they were placed. So in Satya Yuga, Varaha Deva and Hiranyaksha, they were there, and they were from different planets. So what happened was the earth was, put it. They were Hiranyaksha, out of enmity. All these demons are what? Always enemy to devas. So he hid the earth in the water, in the ocean. Didn't allow this to come out. The earth was fully drowned in the. So the devas were all worried. They went into Brahma, and then it's Brahma in meditation. He meditated, and Bhavan, that Shruti Vakya. He said, "Don't worry, I'll take Varaka, that avatar. I will come in. I will do all that, whatever is required. I will do the needful." Then he takes the Varaha avatar, and he both Ladai kiye, and the earth was brought up to the normal place. So they were in different planets. In Satya Yuga, they were in different planets, that good and bad qualities. Then Treta Yuga, Ram and Ravan, they were in different countries. Then Dwapar Yuga, Pandavas and Kauravas, same, no country, same house, same, cousins only. But in Kali Yuga, humility, helping others, tolerance, these are all divine nature. Demonic nature is what? Anger, greed, envy, lust, and all. Same person will have all these characters. So Kali Yuga is same person having demonic qualities as well as this divine qualities also. And also, what is this? Age of truth. Varadeva and Hiranyaksha in different what planets. They were in different planets. And then Treta Yuga mein Rama and Ravana in different countries. And then Pandavas and Kauravas in Dwapara Yuga mein Pandavas and Kauravas in the same family. And that is all. And in Kali Yuga, the same person will have both demonic qualities and divine qualities in the same person. Yeah, and there are 4 defects of human beings. This is very important. We are bound to be, committing mistakes. So a person who makes mistakes, we are all, as a human being, we are bound to make mistakes. That's why we keep trying, and one day we will be perfecting our whatever you do. Maybe business, or maybe some attempting exams, or anything you do, or your artwork, or anything you do. We are bound to commit mistakes. And then our senses are not perfect. We have all imperfect senses. Then we are illusion. Ek angle se dekhega to aisa lagta hai, it is standing. From this angle you see it is flattened like that. And we have the cheating propensy. We have that small, telling lies, and usko thoda topi pehna ke nikal jayenge na. Like you just go once in the train. Arey ek din ke liye dekha to lamba line hai for buying ticket. Then I'll get ticket, and then I'll use that train, and wo aadmi ko milna to reh hi jayega. Jayenge bindas. Then you take, even if TC catches us, I'll pay him, no, fine, what to do? I don't have time to. TC ne pakda nahi. So you cheated. Ultimately, what? You cheated the railways. So this cheating propensity everyone has. Because time nahi hai, yeah, some reason they will give. Nobody is so honest ki chalega main 2 घंटा खड़ा रह के भी मैं ticket लेके ही मैं जाऊंगा. Because that person will go away, whatever your maqsad, no, that will not happen at all. So we always have that cheating propensity also. These are the 4 defects of human beings. Aneka chitta vibhranta mohajala samavritaha prashant prasakta kama bhogeshu patanti narake ashuchau. Yeah. Those thus perplexed by various anxieties and bound by network of illusions, one becomes too strongly attached to sense enjoyment and fall down into hell. So we are all giving importance to our eyes and that's what our senses, and then you keep committing mistakes, and then you what due to sense enjoyment, and then you fall down to hell. Here Ravan ko kya kami tha? He was so nicely well placed and great bhakta of Lord Shiva and all that. Still, he fell prey for what? Sita Maharani. Are Sita Rani ko abduct karke leke jayenge. I want her, that way. So the sense gratification. Then he also lost his life for nothing. Yeah. Ahankaram balam darpam kaman krodam sa samshitah mamatma paradeheshu pradvishanta abhisuyakah. Bewildered by false ego, strength, pride, lust and anger, the demons becomes envious of the Supreme Personality of Godhead, who is situated in his own body and in the bodies of others, and blasphemes against the real religion. So here also in the picture you can see Krishna, this is Shishupal, I think, yeah. So he was born, deformed body. He had 3 eyes and what? 3 hands, 4 hands. So deformed body. So when the child was born, like the parents were thinking, oh God, we will just throw this child. We can't have such child. What people will think of us and how can we bring up this child? Not that out of this. But then they got to hear from sound like this boy will become all right when he's placed in any, everybody should hold him, and in any lap wherever he is kept, and suddenly all this goes away. That there is a chance of all these things will get what he will become normal. All the 3 eyes will become only 2 eyes and all. But the only catch is what? The one whose lap he is there, that person will kill him. So unko kya wo time pe kya acha my boy will become all right, my son will become normal with 2 eyes and 2 hands and all that. So they concentrated on that only. So they started keeping that small child in each one's lap. No change in that child's body, same like that. And Krishna was also a small boy. So Krishna ka godi pe rakh diya to everything became normal. Then they became very happy. Oh, Krishna, so you're such a good this, you're such a good woman and that. Then a fear came. Oh no, Krishna. It is said that you're going to then you will be killing my son. Please don't do that. 3 eyes and 4 arms. Yeah, it's written here. 3 eyes and 4 arms. So then Krishna says, okay, but then what? Sabko pata hai, he's he's God incarnated. So he said, then what I will do is he said, but too much of enmity karega to kaisa mein. Then his mother says, at least 100. You tolerate him for 100 sins. Then 101st sin bhi chalo. Mother thought maybe my bacha is so very good, hardly 1 or 2 mistakes only he will do, and Krishna will not annihilate him. But the boy grew up in such a bad character. He is cousin only. But then he went on ridiculing this, ridiculing Krishna for each and everything. After all, what cattle grazer and all that, he used to misbehave with them. So this is Rajasuya Yajna of this Pandavas. उन लोग ने जो किया था, युधिष्ठिर ने जो यागम वो किया, तो Krishna को special place was given because these people know he's God. A special place was given. Main place was honored to him, and he used to start the this and all. But he came and he again started ridiculing that this and all, and the count was 101st sin. 100 sins he was maaf kar diya. This was the 101st sin. Chakra went and hit his neck, and he was killed. He was annihilated. So that story is there. You all can say I'm not a very good storyteller, but then all these things are there in Google. You can find out. So, but such demonic people, they forget, whom are we fighting with? The Paramatma, what is there inside me? That Paramatma is there in other person also. We are not supposed to, ill-treat or insult anyone. They are insulting the God inside them. They don't realize that. And this is one of the stories, and he gets killed also by Krishna. Tanaham Dishatas Kuran Samsareshu Naradaman Shipami Ajasram Ashubhan Asha Asuri Eva Yunishu. Those who are envious and mischievous, who are lowest among men, all these people are there. Continuously they will do. In fact, there are people, no, they'll go to jail and come. Again, they will do the same act. Chori karega, jaake reke aayega. Again, chori kiya, wapis jaake aayega. Hey, hi, I'm back. They're very happy to go back to jail and coming back. They're going to, native place and coming. Like that. So, such लोगों का क्या होगा? Who are lowest among men, I perpetually cast into the ocean of material existence, into various demonic species of life. I make them, take birth in the demonic species only. In that only they will be born again and again and again. I will see to it that they are born there. Because they don't want to come up. They don't want to improve themselves. So he's saying, I perpetually cast into the ocean of material existence, into various demonic species of life. And thus, going that people who are again and again born in that demonic way, what happens to them? Asuri myoni ma panna muda janmani mama prapyaiva kaunteya tato yanti adamam gatim. Adamam means going down and down. Attaining repeated birth among the species of demonic life, such person can never approach me. Because niche jate, Bhagavan to hai, upar. We are almost here, almost nearing the Lord. Even for us, it's so difficult to go up. And these people are going down. It's so difficult to come from that ocean to our human form and then go up. It's very far. They are very far from to achieve that. So attaining repeated birth among the species of demonic life, such persons can never approach me. Gradually, they sink down to the most abominable type of existence. Kida, Makoda, and all we say, no, they will remain that only. Again and again, they will be born that way. So when they will get moksha, moksha to chance hai. They will be falling into the pit only. Trividam Narakas, the Trividam, there are three, which is the important gates. Trividam Narakas Dwaram Nashanam Atmanaha Kama Krodha Tata Lobha. What are the three? Kama, Krodha, and Tatam is and Yoga. Tasmat Etat Trayam Tyajet. These are the three gates. What are that? There are three gates leading to this hell: lust, anger, and greed. Every sane man should give these up, for they lead to degradation of soul. Lust, yes, be away from that. Anger, bilkul nahi. Greed, bilkul nahi. All these three are what? It will take you down, and then you'll get this downward. You'll become what animal life you get. So beware of that three things and don't follow that. And three gates to hell is anger, lust, and greed. So one should not be developing those qualities. Lust towards Draupadi. What happened? We know the story. So it was only lust. So, and Krishna came and helped him. Anger towards Pandavas. Not even one that, that needle cut, that point also, that much land also we can't give. So anger and pride, they were proud, and what? They got annihilated. They got killed. Greed towards the kingdom of Hastinapur. The entire Hastinapur is our Kauravas. Pandavas ko to bilkul jagah hi nahi hai. So the greed to have that entire kingdom in their hold, gone. And it led to what? All these in Dharma Kshetra called Kurukshetra, leading to the fiercest battle of the Mahabharata. Because of that attitude, what happened? It was very fiery, Mahabharata war took place. Yeah. Eter vimukta kaunteya tamodhare srivirnaraha acharati atmanas shreyas tato yati paramgatim. The man who has escaped these three gates of hell, at least from today onwards, let us not appreciate. Gussa to aayega hi, but then again you have to remember, no, I should not be getting angry. No, I should not be greedy. No, I should not have lust. All that, keep remembering all these things, and then what will happen? O son of Kunti performs act conducive to self-realization and thus gradually attains the supreme destination. Niche three gates hai: about turn, go above, acceptance of spiritual masters, study of Vedas, austerity, self-control, spiritual knowledge, and attain the Lord's abode. So we are almost in this verge, going upwards only. But that anger and all this, hai, wo bhi quality hai apne mein abhi tak, then you have to leave it so that you'll be escaping those three gates and you'll be going upwards. Yashastra Vidhi Mutsrijya Vartate kama krodha karatah. Vartate kama karatah. Nasa siddhim avapnoti. Na sukham na parangatim. But he who discards scriptural injunction, in spite of knowing all this, in spite of attending Bhagavad Gita, I don't think anybody will do that. Still, chalo na kya in log kuch bolte hain, but थोड़ी ऐसा थोड़ी होता है, like I can't give up anger at all. Anger तो मेरे को तो पहले से गुस्सा तो मुझे होना ही है. I can't see people doing any nonsense. I'll have to question them. Some people are there, I cannot tolerate nonsense. I will have to question them. अरे ध्यान उधर भटका हो ना. You don't see, only if you watch you'll have to question. No, forget. Just look at other way. Towards the Lord. You will not know what is happening outside. So what? He who discards scriptural injunctions and acts according to his own whims and fancies, attain neither perfection nor happiness nor the supreme destination. नहीं मुझे करना ही है. I'll have to get angry. No, I have to, and all that. Then no use. They are not following scriptural injunctions and do according to their own whims. And neither such people will never attain the perfection of life, and also no happiness also. That what happiness they feel by drinking wine or this and all that is only temporary happiness. Will never lead to that permanent bliss that they will never get. And not the supreme destination. Supreme destination is very far, far away for them. Eating non-veg and the gambling, illicit sex and meat eating and intoxication, everything all surrendered with that only. तस्मात् शास्त्रं प्रमाणं ते कार्याकार्य व्यवस्थितौ ज्ञात्वा शास्त्रविधानोक्तं कर्म कर्तुं विहार्हसि. One should therefore understand what is duty and what is not duty by the regulations of scriptures. What we have to follow, what we should not be following. We should know. How we will know? Only when we study Vedas. How will we know Vedas? Only we have to join like the study. You cannot read Bhagavad Gita book de diya. What you will understand? Nothing. Even today I don't understand. I want somebody to teach me. I want somebody to tell me this is this, this is this. Then only we understand. So we need an acharya to tell us. Then only we understand. So what is to be done and what is not to be done. Knowing such rules and regulations, one should act so that he will be gradually elevated to the higher plane and he will be escaping this. Om Tat Saditi Srimad Bhagavad Gita Upanishadsu Brahma Vidyayam Yoga Shastre Shri Krishna Arjuna Samvade Deva Asura Sampad Vibhaga Yogo Nama Shodasho Adhyaya. I think I covered almost all the shlokas in this. Yesterday also we covered, because it was the smallest chapter, 20 shlokas were there. When we put all that. In this also, I think I covered all. I don't want to skip. Okay, we'll see the summary part. It says, whoever is here, just don't leave. After the class, we'll be just 2 minutes, we will have discussion about the level 2. Once again, and then we will end the class. Divine and demonic nature. 2 classes of created beings, the divine and the demonic, are endowed with different qualities. Godly men like Arjuna possess the godly qualities like charity, self-control, gentleness, modesty, forgiveness, cleanliness, austerity, simplicity, non-violence, truthfulness, tranquility, fearlessness. Actually, fearlessness should come here. Freedom from anger, cultivation of spiritual knowledge, aversion to fault finding, compassion for all living beings, freedom from covetousness, and steady determination. Demonic qualities kya hai? Such as pride, anger. Both. It is not that we do not have. Anger to thoda bahut aa hi jata hai. Pride bhi hai. Thoda shloka ke seekh liya. I know everything. Pride bhi hai. We should be coming out of that. Pride, anger, envy, harshness, arrogance, ignorance, impudence, uncleanliness, and improper behavior bind people in a network of illusion that makes them take birth again and again. So that इसमें that चक्रव्यूह में आ जाते हैं in demonic species of life. Unable to approach Krishna, the demonic gradually sink down to hell. 2 kinds of action, regulated and unregulated, yield different results. A person who discards scriptural injunctions attains neither perfection nor happiness nor the supreme destination. People regulated by scripture understand what duty is and what is not. They gradually attain the supreme destination by performing acts conducive to self-realization. This is what we learned today. And one small story about Daksha Prajapati is there in Bhagavatam. We'll say that and we will finish the class. Maharaja Daksha Prajapati was very pride, arrogant, and anger, harshness, and ignorance. Did not invite Lord Shiva to sacrifice. What happened was, Lord Shiva ko sab log mante. Arey, Shiv Bhagwan hai, everybody will respect him, everybody will get up him when he comes and all. But Daksha to, nahi, bilkul nahi. What he is, no proper clothing, always having what, sab log acha acha, Krishna sab kitna acha acha, that, this, what, that jewelry and all he's wearing, so nice, beautiful looking. He's always with all everywhere. This was snakes only. Jada kya, snakes kya, bhasma pura laga diya. What is this? And his daughter, what's her name? Sati Devi, wants to get married to Shiva. He was very much against that, but she said, no, you do not know. What you see is only the outside appearance. He is Lord. He's such a nice, compassionate. But he was not. He was totally against. But she said, no, I want to get married to you. So he said, okay, fine. But I will not consider him as even a normal person also. I don't respect him. I don't like him and all that. So once what happened, they were living happily and all that. So once they found, Sati found that many people are going towards their house. They said, where you people are going? They said, अरे आपको पता नहीं है, आपके मम्मी पापा के घर में तो यज्ञ चालू है. No, the father Daksha Prajapati has arranged a big yajna. We are not invited. She said, oh, is it? Okay. Then she tells Shiva, hey, apne ghar mein, mere ghar mein. They say, come, we'll also go. Shiva said, no, you're not invited. We are not invited. So we are not supposed to go. So what? Apna hi ghar to hai. See, we are not guests. We should be called. Our own house, no? So let us go. No, wherever it is, if you are not invited, you are not supposed to. He keeps telling that. But she said, no, I have to go. He said, okay, take your decision, but I will not come. But whatever will be the outcome, you will have to face it. She said, yeah, of course. They are after all my parents. Yeah, maike mein kuch ho raha hai, and I will not be called. So, hoega hi nahi, like, either they would have forgotten, and after all, I am their own doctor. No, why should I be invited? She goes there, and there she sees everything is all ulta putta. Nobody's bothered to look at her. Nobody's welcoming her. Nobody's talking to her, and she gets angry. She said, "What? How you people are behaving? Don't you have any decency to at least, welcome me and make me let in." Father gets angry. Daksha, who asked you to come? Did I invite you? I didn't invite you. Who asked you to come? I don't want you both to come. That's why I didn't invite you. No, so why did you come? She gets very angry. She just falls into that fire. That the ritual fire was there. She falls into that, and they all get shocked. Oh God, what my daughter has done. Even he realizes. The news goes to Shiva, and he comes. He comes and he sees, my wife is dead. He takes the body, and then there's another story of cutting that body into pieces and बहुत सारे जगह में डाल दिया, and that Shakti Peed हो गया, in so many places. It is there in Nepal and so many places, That's a different story. We are not discussing that. And such their temples have come up that is called Shakti Peed. They are calling. So, but then he gets angry. That time he dances Tandav dance karte hain, and he gets very angry, and he just cuts off that Daksha's head and put his head also in the fire. Lo, mar jao tum. But then what? Only the head is cut. No, then he actually, the daughter gets burned. He realizes. I said, you being a father, you are seeing your daughter is getting, you should immediately try to, safeguard her. But then you were just like stone-hearted. You were sitting and you saw your daughter getting burned, and all that. He cut his head. Then Daksha Prajapati realized his mistake. Then he said, oh God, such thing I didn't expect. I'm really sorry and all that. Then again, भगवान को इतना ही है ना, anybody falling at his feet, they become very cool. जितना उनको गुस्सा आते हैं, उतना शांत भी हो जाते हैं. So he said, okay, marks कर दिया. Then what to give? Some head has to be kept. Now his original head was already thrown into the fire. Now it cannot be brought back. Already smashed and gone. Then we saw the Bali ka bakra. The bakra which was kept for this Bali. So he cut that and he put it on his this head, and he was saved. That's life was given to him. So that is how this Daksha Prajapati ka story is there in Bhagavad. In today's Bhagavad Katha, we have Bhagavad Katha every day at 8:15, 8:20 and all. Our NND Prabhuji, our center head, he takes class. He tells in English and Hindi. Whoever is interested, after the 18 days course and all, you can slowly join. Or even now, if people are free, you can join in a temple or temple ID only. Temple ID is one ID, you always keep it, register. Keep it in safely written somewhere. Every now and then you can attend that. Some program or the other thing will keep going. Today he was talking about Daksha Prajapatika, this story. It was a coincidence. In the morning I took that chapter 6 a.m. After that when I came, Bhagavad mein wohi story. And today again, now also I am having the same story. Okay, so tomorrow what are we going to see? The second last chapter. Shraddha Traya Vibhava Yuga. Traya means what? Three. As we have faith in the Shraddha is what? Faith. It depends also. The Shraddha is also depending on the three gunas. Sattva guna hoga to kaise Shraddha hoga. Tamoguna and Rajoguna. Okay, 3 kinds of faith. And how they eat, all the 3 different kinds of people know, sure. Sattvagun, Rajogun, Tamogun, what sort of a food they will like, what sacrifice they can do, austerity, how they will perform, charity also. A person in a Rajogun, how will he do charity? Sattvagun person, how will he do charity? All these things, details are given in tomorrow's chapter. Very nice. And the 3 modes. Okay. Then conclusion what? Now every after this chapter gets over, we say Om Tat Sat Iti. So what does that mean? Om Tat Sat. What does that mean? That is also explained in tomorrow's verse. So we'll end today's class. Om Jai Sri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhara Shri Vasadi Gaura Bhakta Vrinda Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare. So chant and be happy. Yes, we have to chant. Keep chanting and be happy. Also, all the Vaishnavas who have come to the class, who are attending online, recorded session, whoever is there, for all Vaishnava Vrinda ke liye, Vaishnava logon ke liye Vandan. So Vancha Kalpatarubhyascha Kripa Sindhubhya eva cha Patitanam Pavanebhyo Vaishnavebhyo Namo Namaha. Ananda Koti Vaishnava Vrinda ki अनंत कोटि भक्त वृंद की प्रभुपाद की हरिदास ठाकुर की महामंत्र की चैतन्य महाप्रभु की और भागवत ग्रंथ की श्री राधा गोविंद की और प्रेमानंदे